Zimbabwe is in the focus. We are not going anywhere. We are at this way in Damuno, South Africa, Tiripo, Sila. We are here to stay. Zimbabwe, our flag on the comment section. Our flag, our flag, our flag, our flag. Our flag on the comment section. I say now and listen to me very careful. I'm here and I'm hoping you in your country. Yes, I'm here and I'm hoping you in your country. 3 more roses. Finish them, guys. Finish them. Show them shaggy. Show them shaggy. See, last thing I'm Zimbabwe City. We are not going anywhere. We are very dangerous, Mama. You don't know us. On the speed we play, guys. You want to come here, those concords, however. See, country. Thanks to family.
Usini? Guys, is even proud. Arriba na batla ka di crocodile, guys. Ba tlo go tella ka mokhandri ra rena o rena o tla kang. Guys, she doesn't even need a passport to come here.
Hello, Zimbabwe is dating, Mama. Yes, we are here to stay. We are not going anywhere. Tell your kids to play. Tell your poor South Africans to play. Yes, and some of our South Africans, they are this side. Yes, because they don't love you, my sister. They don't love you. They don't know even. They don't know you in South Africa. We are here to stay. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. Yes. Tell them to play. Tell your mister to play. We tell your mister to play. And Funuk Seven Zangit. And up there and Funuk Seven Zangit. Amuskuda shanda imi. Isu tawuya pano kuzo shanda mama. Tawuya pano kuzo shanda mama. Sizela kuzo sebenza sis. Yaban, basa study we are going back to. Sizela kuzo sebenza sis. Bring it. Bring it. Why you Zimbabwe? Why you Zimbabwe to the world? Bring it. Bring it, Mama. Even in South Africa, foreigners they must go back. Because you are not educated, my sister. Learn to travel, Mama. Zamugu Puma South Africa wana manyama country. Puma South Africa wana manyama country. Puma South Africa wana manyama country.
Namba nini? Ngiyabuza phela mama. Zalabala uthanda zala. Nizwileni ukuthi in Nigeria the government of Nigeria have.
I'm not from Nigeria, I speak English.
I'm speaking English.
Yeah, I'm from Malawi, I'm a visitor here.
Yes, and you have papers?
Yes, I got.
Where?
Are you a police?
I am.
Are you a police?
Oh,
Show me ID.
I'm telling you right now that we are here in Johannesburg and we said we're going to be here for a longest time, no crime to be committed, and we are as peaceful as we are. But the Nigerian government have declared we are against Hamban isikhathele yini manje?
Sesikhathele nina la eSouth Africa.
Umongameli waseNigeria uthe uzonilana ngabhanoyi. Why you doing it in your own country? Why? We are tired and you must know it.
I want to buy things here.
Yes.
What's your Yes.
I was chained.
Don't tell me nonsense. You don't know. What's your problem?
Until 15. I'm telling 15. Hambani, please. In your own country, can you do it peacefully? Njoba sikhona khona kuyisonto suka la Newcastle. Namanje sihambani noma niphuma la isonto.
Hayi thula wena.
Ansanywe inhlobo. Yes. The whole countries that are here. Hambani, finish. Okay, all right. Asalila. For us, we are willing to die for our own country. Why don't you go and die for your own country? The soil is the soil, the land is the land. Why don't you repellent your own? Because your government has failed you. Now you are here to loot our own country so that it can look like yours. Never. Hamban. Niyazi bafana bami nonke anesatshwa Ngizoliphika manje. Hambani. Ngizobona futhi.
That's in rock. Bahambe.
Welcome back to Inside Central. Welcome back to our channel. Ngizo Mchunu a endzela ndzhawu leyi a yi ri na vaaki va tiko ra Malawi a dorobeni ra Joni. Ngizo Mchunu u kombisa leswaku vanhu va matiko ma le handle va nyiketa until the 15 ta n'hweti yona ya le ya May ku va longa swa vona va famba. A kombisa ku kambe hi wa vunharhu wa vhiki rona leri or mundzuku va ta va endzela tindhawu ta le eThekwini laha va nga ta va nga yi ku tlangeni va ya ku fambiseni ka vanhu va matiko mambe. Ngizo Mchunu u fiki a vulavula na vona a va kombisa leswaku a ve le ku lweni, va vulavula na vona hi mbilu ya kahle yo basa kambe xikombelo a xi cinci i ku a va humi la tikweni ra hina ra South Africa. Ngizo Mchunu a hi munhu o tikhoma loko a vulavula kambe wu ni hlamarise ngopfu hi ku n'wanuna loyi wa tiko ra Malawi u tikomba a ri ku deleleni swinene loko a vulavula. A nga tikombi ku hlonipha. U vutisa Ngizo ku u ngo ni vutisa pasi u phorisa wena na? Kambe wa tiva ku Ngizo a hi phorisa hi ku un'wana wa varhangeri wa vanhu lava va nge le ku lweni na ku fambisa vanhu va matiko mambe. A ku na ku a nga n'wi tivi. So u endla hi mavomu or hi ndlela yo delela loko a vutisa ku u phorisa na? Ngizo u kombisa leswaku va nyiketa masiku mantsanana. Namuntlha it's 5 which means ku sele masiku ya 10 ku va longa swa vona va famba. Hi hala tlhelo sesi o huma tikweni ra Zimbabwe a ri ka xiyenge xa mabulu na sesi u huma kwala tikweni ra hina ra South Africa, laha sesi o huma Zimbabwe a kombisaka leswaku a ku na laha a ya ku kona yena u ta tshama la South Africa hi ku u tila a ta ku tirheni. Leswi swi vula yini na hi vanhu va matiko mambe? A vo ngo to va nga nyimpi loko va tikomba ku lwa na vanhu va laha tikweni na? Hi ku xiyenge xa mabulu xi hangalasa ngopfu mahungu swi nga fika ka vanhu hi ndlela yo ka yi nga sasekanga ivi swi susa nyimpi ivi yi nga ha lawuleki. Kombela mi comment after mi vona ti-video leti, mi comment hi mhaka leyi nge le ku humeleleni laha tikweni na ku yi nga solveka xinjhani hi ku ya hi n'wina. Hi ku mina hi ku ya hi mina ni heleliwe hi mavonelo hi ku loko ni vona ti-video na cinca mihleketo, loko ni vona video yin'wanyana ni cinca mihleketo, loko ni vona yin'wanyana ni cinca mihleketo. Ni na mbilu yo va twela, ni va na mbilu yo ka yi nga va tweli hi ku van'wana va vona va hlamula swilo swo ka swi nga ri kahle. Danko.